Hey y'all, it's Dawn with Just Out and About. I am up here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and I have been wanting to come by for quite a bit and check out Parrot Mountain. Now, if you saw our Busch Gardens Williamsburg vlog a few weeks back, we went in the bird aviary there. The birds were all over me, which made me even more want to come check out Parrot Mountain up here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's really close to the Dollywood Park. Easy to get to. I am going to go in here and check out the birds and see what's going on. I'll be sure to share what I can with you. In the meantime, while we do that, you guys be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We got a few birds out here just chilling. Look at this one. I did make the decision to put my hat on just in case, because I'm not sure if this is anything like the aviary where anything will be flying around, but I didn't want any mishaps on my head. So anyway, let's head in here and see what we can find.
Come on, she got to snap her hand.
Look at these pretty birds.
Hi. Hi. Yeah. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah.
That is a happy bird. Oh, you want your picture too?
Hello. Yeah. Hi. No one's just trying to just like, Alright, watch your picture.
Oh, you're posing. You're really posing.
Hi.
You know you're on video?
COCKATOO.
Okay. Yeah. You're a ham. Okay, now what are you doing? Now what are you doing? Hey. Are you going to do a trick? What about you? You don't want to show off? You don't need to show off? Alright y'all, so we'll move on from these. Looks like we got a bird walk, a jungle experience coming soon. These birds right here were really fun. They enjoyed posing and dancing. Let's see what we got here. A toucan. How pretty. You're pretty, aren't you? He's posing. They all like to pose, I think. You know what the camera is. We have some different toucans over here. Swainson's toucan. I don't think they're quite the ham that the other one was. And we have some more toucans. This is a kill-billed toucan. Look how pretty they are. Are you going to pose too? Are you going to smile? What about you? Over here, I guess you would call this the toucan. It says they are the largest and most recognized because the bird's iconic use in advertising. Of course, we all know some Fruit Loops. Hey there. His beak is really big compared to the other ones. All right, let's see what we got next here. A scarlet MACAW. Okay, what do we have here? Catalina MACAW. Hello. He's not interested in us. You don't care about the camera? What about you? What about you? Is that the evil eye? Alright, this green parrot here is back at the back, so I can't get a good look at that one. Maybe. Alright, a silvery cheeked hornbill. Let's see what this thing's gonna look like. Oh wow. Oh wow, check you out. Hey buddy. This one did pose for the picture a little bit. Here comes a peacock. Alright, I'm curious. Let's go see what the secret garden entrance is.
Wow, guys, listen to this noise, guys.
Not one. Wait to wait and let's see the beak.
Hey buddy. So apparently you can get a souvenir photo back here with the birds. I see you. I see you. can get a souvenir photo with the birds. The prices range from $30 to $50. But you can apparently come in this area and you'll end up able to hold some of the birds or feed them. I'm assuming this is Gabby. Are you Gabby? Are you Gabby? Dance? You gonna dance? Huh? All of you quit once I get the video camera out. There you go. You gonna dance? You gonna pose? 1 foot? You gonna dance some more? All right. You did good. Good job. Good job. Good job. There you go. You're really posing, aren't you? Oh, that is a good trick. That's awesome. Awesome job. All right. Bye-bye. 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 Do you pose too? Do you pose and dance like Gabby does? What about you? Dolly. You must be Dolly. Are you Dolly? Okay guys, so apparently I didn't bring change in. Okay, I paid to feed the other birds. Oh, this is Bella, by the way. I paid to feed the other birds up front, but I didn't know I needed to have 1s or 5s for change to feed these birds. So apparently you can feed them as long as they do not have the do not touch or feed, because the birds will bite. So Gabby here, who is such a ham, I really like her. She's a ham, but you can't feed her. Can't feed you. You can't feed you. You must bite. She's still posing. Hello. Hello. She likes to pose. I can tell you that. She likes her. Huh? Look at that. You like your picture made, don't you? Hello. 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 What? So yeah, any of the ones that don't have the do not feed the birds, you are able to feed them, I guess. But I don't have change, so I'm gonna have to wait and feed the other birds. What? Did you say something? Did you say something? Are you dancing? You dancing? You must like to dance. Yeah? Okay, will you pose for this camera? Or are you done? Are you gonna pose? How about posing or doing a trick? There you go. Can you do a trick? Or are you just posing? You gonna pose? You gonna pose for the camera? One more pose. Nope. You pose? You're one that you can't feed, huh? Your sign says do not feed. You know. Your sign says do not feed. You must bite. Do you bite? Oh, you're posing. What? Oh, you're gonna pose? Okay, I see you. See you posing for the picture? That's good. Oh, you gonna do one more? Okay, keep on. Pose one more time. Do you dance? Do you dance? That one is still having a fit over there. What about you? Do you pose? Do you pose for a picture? Or you? This one right here is definitely got something it's chewing on. I don't know what it is. A piece of string maybe? Off the rope? What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Can you say hello? Do you say hello? What is your name? Zelda. Zelda? Zelda? Do you say hello? Hello? Hey Zelda. Are you Zazu? Is that what that says? Zazu? You say hello? Somebody's over there saying hello. Hello? Hello? What about you? What's your name? What's your name? You say hello? Let's see. I can't. Oh, you're gonna try to get me, aren't you? See, you have a sign. Do not touch your feed. The birds will bite. So just again as a note, I don't know if I had it clear a while ago on the picture. The ones that say do not touch your feed. Oh, this is Glitch. I guess that's your name. Glitch? Is that your name, Glitch? Glitch? Somebody over here was saying hello a while ago. I don't know whether they took that one for a picture or not. Seems like it was one right in here that just kept saying hello. I don't see your name. Hello. Oh, okay. Hello. What's your name?
Hello.
Your name's hello?
Hello.
Hello. Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Do you pose for the picture? You pose for the camera? You don't. Do you pose?
Hi.
Do you pose?
Hi.
Huh? What
Hello. Hello.
Hello. What is your name?
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
You waving hi? Okay, so I figured out your name was Chicken. I saw Chicken on here, but I thought that couldn't be right. Hello. Hello, Chicken. Hello, Chicken. Hello. Say hi. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and exit in there where the parrots were, a bunch of different kinds of parrots, and they were all lots of fun. You could get your pictures taken in there, you could feed them. I suggest bringing change because I didn't have any change, and I thought I had bought the ticket up front to feed the birds, but it was a different area that I'm feeding them in. So let's continue on. That was lots of fun though, really cool to sit in there. I'd stay in there talking to the birds for a while. Lots of birdies in here. Hopefully before we have a thunderstorm. I'm just gonna kind of try to scoot on by these birds rather quickly. It's hard to see them in the cage anyway. The camera kind of tries to focus on the cage. But these are the kind of birds they have in here. I can see this one pretty good. It might be. Yeah, you might be clear. Hey there. Hello. Hello. All right, y'all. So let's head on up. Just because I'm afraid if it comes up a storm, I'm not going to be able to finish. I spent a lot of time back there with the parrots. Got something else up here. But I spent a lot of time over there with the parrots, so I want to get around here where I can feed the lorries. A Mulacan cockatoo. Hello. This one's not going to talk. You don't talk, huh? Okay, I'm moving on. Beautiful place here, y'all. I have really enjoyed being able to spend time in there with the birds. Especially where they had all the parrots and the everything in there. If I had Tyler and all with me, we would have purchased the picture back there with the birds, because they will sit them on your shoulders and all around and take a picture. But with just me, I just wasn't going to get a photo with just me with the birds. We got an umbrella cockatoo. Hello. See if it'll focus over there without being blurry from the fence. Hello. Alright. We got a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Oh, we got a couple in here. Hello. This one's scratching its head, if you can see that. I don't know what you're doing. Playing. More of the blue and gold macaws. They had right many of these around the park. Just out loose. Maybe you guys aren't well behaved. Is that what it is? Or do y'all just taking a break today? Are y'all just taking a break today? Or do y'all bite? I'm gonna head on around. I hear a bunch of noise down here, so. Military macaw. Bye-bye. Major Mitchell. It's a pink cockatoo. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Well, okay. That's great.
All sit in the rocking chair.
And water.
We're not even done here yet.
You know, we still got tickets
So y'all, you can be sure to take home a bird. I'm sure the pricing is different on all of them. But you can come in here and pick one out. They have a lot of different kinds. This one right here likes my camera. He liked it a minute ago. Do you like the camera? Alright, so as you can see, you can take you home a bird. I don't know what the pricing was on them. It just said pricing was available. I'm sure it's different for, depends on the kind it was, but tons of birds in there to take home with you. I'm not sure how my dogs would do with a bird, so we'll hold off on that one. But I have enjoyed coming out here and checking all the birds out. So I've still got to find the lories and where I feed those. So let's keep on going. Okay, y'all, so a few minutes ago, I was so busy looking at the sign and rushing through these birds over here because it was thundering. I walked up through there, looked at that sign, and totally missed, I guess because there was really not that many people here, totally missed where I was supposed to turn in my ticket to feed the lories. So I'm going to get in line here and wait my turn to get some nectar to feed the little lorikeets. So y'all drank all the nectar and now you're all licking me. Is it my sweat or what? Oh! Huh? Y'all are crazy birds. Alright y'all, I think that about does it for my time here at Parrot Mountain. What a great time. I couldn't really record anything other than from some pictures from my phone. I don't know how they turned out because I had birds all over me, the little lorikeets. As soon as you walk in with the nectar, they just swarm you. I had them all over my arms, and then once they finished the nectar, then guess what? They decided they were just gonna lick some sweat off. but anyway, great time. I think my charge to get in here was like 20, might have been, find the receipt. It was for admission, and the $3 for the lorikeet nectar ticket was $27.90. So not too bad at all. Totally enjoyed my walk around here. It's a beautiful area. It's quiet. I mean, it's, you know, just not a big crowd. It's enjoyable with the birds going through, talking to the birds that's out there that'll talk to you, and just some really beautiful birds on display here. But anyway, thanks for joining me, and we will see you guys on the next one. But I definitely suggest checking out Parrot Mountain in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Bye.